How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. We got the Harbor Freight dust collector, the little portable one we hooked up to the drum here. Had some issues the other day. I was planing a piece of wood and it got plugged up twice. And I'm going to show you where it got plugged up and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with it. Let me show you up close. As you can see, all the chips on the floor. That's because it got plugged up and we had to unplug it. So what I have here, this is the side that brings all the material in. I already took the bolts out. I'm going to show you a screen in here that's in here, and I suppose that's to keep bigger chips from going in there, but it wants to plug up. And it, like I said, it did it twice, and I was just planing a piece of wood, and these are a little bit bigger. We was doing a little more aggressive on the planer, and these right here plugged up. So we're going to take this screen, it's tack welded to the back side. We're going to cut it out and see how it works then. Alright, that should eliminate that problem. So we're going to go ahead and put this back on, see how it works. Yeah, this thing plugged up twice while we were planing the piece of wood. And if it's going to plug up, it's no good to me. So I cut the screen out. I'm sure that voids the warranty on it. But it's no good if it don't suck up the wood chips. Make sure when you're doing this, you got the machine unplugged. Okay, I swept up around all this area. This is what plugged the machine up. So we're going to go ahead and turn the machine on, and we got the little 2-inch, 2.5, I think it's 2 or 2.5 inch hose. We're going to go ahead and turn the vacuum on and see if we can get it to run through and not plug up. Okay, I think the machine did a great job on picking all that dust up. You seen it right there. And this is where it plugged up before. We're gonna open it up just to see what happened inside, if there's any plugs in there or anything. Just as clean as a whistle. Okay, as you can see, the screen is gone and there is nothing in there. Nothing at all. That, I think, is gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy back together. Just wanted to share that with everybody because I did do this on video and they asked me how it's working. Well, that was the issue that I had, and that was about the only issue I had so far. But every time I have an issue with it, I'll make sure I post it on video. So we're gonna get this guy put back together and we'll be ready to use it again. I would like to tell everyone thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Until next time.